All right. Hey, I'm gonna make a fun video. Not how to repair something, but how to modify it. And it's a fun toy. It's the Bug Assault Lawn and Garden 2.0 fly killing machine. All you gotta do is pump, safety, shoot, only takes salt. No CO2, no batteries. But, it's Saturday, I'm bored, I got some time, and I'm thinking of modifying this into a little bit more tactical. And I'm actually gonna use this. It is a Umarex XBG BBCO2 pistol, okay? This thing fits inside to make it, more of a rifle. But I've shot this so many times that, it doesn't work anymore. I've taken it apart, I can't fix it. But I've been using it for a dummy gun to practice my paint jobs. And the last one was a copper, and I try to use some kind of material to make snakeskin. So before I paint all my real handguns, my 9mm, all my other things, my rifles, I use this. But this has just been laying around, and my thoughts are, if I just cut the top, I gotta measure the top of this, but if I cut this, and possibly I might be able to mount it on top and utilize the Picatinny rail. It even has the sights, but the coolest thing is this collapsible stock. So if I can mount that thing onto the Bug Assault, that'd be pretty neat. I haven't quite figured it out yet. I'm thinking that I'm probably gonna have to take this all apart. All the screws are here. See where all the functions are located. And then where I don't find, the things that are necessary to make this work, I'm gonna do some pre-drill holes. And my hopes are to just really mount this to the top, secure it, and have some fun with it. I mean, they're both plastic, they're both toys. What do I got to lose? So let's stay tuned and see if it works. All right, she's complete. Turned out pretty well. Totally modified, including a paint job. I think I was going for the Ukraine urban camouflage, And if you look at it closely, you see the little snake skin in there with the blue on both sides, right? Along with that, hey, laser dot. I haven't dialed it in, believe it or not. This is from like some airsoft gun. It doesn't even have batteries right now. It's got the little actuator, right? Okay? But the coolest thing, Picatinny rails, and then get ready. There it is. There it is, guys. There's no recoil on this thing. But I'm telling you, the way I did it, it's there. I mean, I don't know if you can see me move. It's not moving, okay? Pre-drilled holes, ran some screws up at the top there. Even one big one in the back. But, the thing is sweet now. You can even brace it. You don't like it? Collapse it. Use it like it was before. There it was, before, right? And guess what? Also, don't know if you saw that or not, but since I had to cut it open here, I got rid of the safety like everybody else did. I did get rid of it internally, but I left it in there because I had some problems with the trigger of doing it on a video that I happened to see. Another guy, taking it all apart, which I did, and he actually removed the whole thing. So I actually slipped it back in, and 5-minute epoxy, that bad boy's not going anywhere. But again, so not only a paint job, not only that, and rails, and laser sight, but no safety. So again, the camel job was kind of fun, right? I left this for a reason. I mean, I don't know, that kind of looks almost real of some sort. I don't know what kind of gun that would be, but I got kids. Last thing I want them to do is run around and out in the street with that thing. Cop comes by and, hey, there's no orange. So I think that's kind of important, okay? I had a couple of these laying around. I actually cut one of my Picatinny rails and used it for up here. Oh, I'm sorry, right down here to even it out. Okay? But, I was thinking, hey, maybe I trim that down, put it to the side. I mean, it's a bug gun. I saw dudes putting flashlights and crap like that. To be honest with you, this I think is overkill, but it might be kind of fun. But that's as far as I'm going to go. It is what it is. And the camel job, I mean, there's some parts of the yellow and green you see. I'm not going to get all high tech like I did with these things here. That's a Maverick 12 gauge shotgun. It was all stock, right? I got the AR back assembly, the grip, heat shield. Painted that World War II gray German. Red dot, and then look at this little guy. Hey, this thing was a Mossberg 22. This thing was like the old M16. Chopped that off, gave it a righteous, unique camo job. It's like black and gold, right? And then even this one over here. This is my Hog Slayer. Gave this one kind of the snake skin, different camo job in itself. So, you gotta have fun with it. And like I mentioned, with this guy right here, it kills bugs on my patio. Honestly, it took me to do this thing, besides the paint job, I don't know, an hour. And I told you I didn't really have an idea on how I was gonna do it. Just kind of eyeballed it up, hack job. But again, I don't know if you can see that. That ain't going anywhere. This is kind of weird, but I could live with it, right? Paint job, it was quick. In fact, some of the orange is rubbing there. Put clear coat, but I just wanted to play with it, see if it actually worked. So, I don't know. That's the final end out. Kind of cool. There's the salt. But yeah, so if you got any of these like airsoft and BB gun stuff laying around, I mean, this would be one opportunity to repurpose it and put it on something maybe you use versus the BB guns or airsoft anymore. Man, I use this all the time in the summer. Lots of flies out right now. Kind of fun shooting them. So, hope this helps you. Hope you like it. We'll take it.